Old Chiki, 100 Years of Life, celebrating the 100-year anniversary of Old Chiki, the Santali script.
Indo gymnastics khone ruwer area. Ar ayo ho goro adea. Ar saprao ho saprao area.
Are, barain. Hindo ati marang din kana. Chikire, sai bosh to hoy kana. Ati khusiyan ras ka bujhoega.
Indo ati khusi bujaoeda.
Janoni, masih gorone, no bata hairpin boho relago kane, no yuro kana.
Amroche baka urab tayo kana. In a dance practice kon kuigaya, ar sakra hoy sakra gaya. Amdo chem chigaya.
Indo breakfast jom kira ukina kina.
Okay, dile lang chala. Ayo baba ki tangi ka.
Lakshman, I'm Sakra now.
Hoy dada, amma sokai chutagi molo kada.
Oops, Indo Bujokea Jekyll Bakra Hun Samoyamoa. Imas Sakebal Hui Agu Aga.
Abudu program nabun chala kana. Uyir mana ase. Abuku nyauta ka bona.
Deralang Chala Baba Hoy Baja Marate. Johar.
Oh, हमारे here से आदि खुशी आता है.
In Ayodhya celebration ema kadiya hai.
Sanako sagunda. Tehe do abo Old Chikiya meet sai botar bon manaka. Abo borobon bujoy abo hora abo aram.
Hoy, in ati praveen bujhoya nawa generation. Nawa kami laha lagi.
Lakshman, tobi bon eho.
Mose, okoi pele dare a, okoi do olchi kiye se chale da.
But it rather not move.
Alina boy, nito sido.
Le darea, unkindo okarekin jala mera.
जहाँ भी अटूरे जहाँ तो दान बोस कोहो को मत लगा.
Hoy, unki to onoria sun toba. Visionary hokin tayo kana. Percy sin chano.
Bonga kanai. Parsi jato bonga kanai.
पर्सी से चांदो बोंगा
kanai.
Pagsi Sichando, Bonga Kana.
Achin baba nisumbo nadalang bunbo.
Hoy, Unkin do 1905 re Barsak Bonga re Kunami Chando Hirukin Janamena.
उनकी तो स्कूल बाय चला सारा किन काहे ना छेदा से ओकर होसन तारी पारसी ते दो बाको परावेत कोता है रागु तो आस्था तो बाय चला सनाया आई बाबा अकुली आई चल लगी संतारी पारसी ते दो बाको परा कना आज पापा मेट केदा उन जोहार दो सूले संदल को दो बाय काहे कना
1925 में Old Chiki ये आविष्कार किया.
इन्हो उनकिndo अखिन ले आजे उनकिन इन्वेंटेड. उनकिndo अलचिकिdo अटकानकिन हलाना कदा.
Old Chiki is an excellent script, next only to Latin in structure. It was examined by the International Language Center in Chicago and found to be one of the most scientific and natural writing systems in the world.
He created the script with a mission so that Santals could get education in their mother tongue. Unkin abo holko bakra olchiki kin invent kida.
And also to unite the Santals across Odisha, Bengal, Assam and Bihar. सनम खैरवाल को जुमित लगी थे और लेदाई. Country of Mahimus, Sir Chandra Bhanstio supported its activities related to Alchi.
His contribution to Santali society is immense. He didn't just create a script. He wrote books, poetry, plays, grammar books, and religious hymns.
Here are just a few complete works. Horse Helen, 1935. Farsi Opal, 1992. Sido Karno Santata Road, 1997.
Adivasi Raga, Kharwal Bir,
Kharwal Bir, play 1952 in Bengali and then 1990 in Alchiki. Dariga Dhan, 1950s, published in Alchiki in 1985.
46, he died 1983. Elka, Arithmetic, 1966. Ronald, Grammar, 1976.
He also received many honors and awards for his contributions.
He was not just a writer. He was also a poet, singer, dancer, artist, philosopher, and a social reformer, all in one.
The Mayurvansh Devasi Mahasabha gave him the title Guru Gomke, meaning Guru of Gurus.
the Dhumkuria Center in Ranchi conferred upon him a Doctor of Literature honorary degree. The tribal Olympic hockey leader, Paula Adivasi, called him the priest of the tribes.
Former Odisha Minister Ranjit Singh Bhatia was an equally warrior.
The Adivasi community lovingly called him the shining sun in the sky of the mother tongue.
In 1978, the Odisha Sahitya Academy honored him with the title Founder of Santali Language and Inventor of Alchi.
Later, the government of West Bengal recognized Olchiki officially in 1979.
So friends, today we are not just celebrating 100 years of a script. We are celebrating a movement, a culture, and a man who changed history. Pandit Raghunath Murmu, Johar, Olchiki, 100 years of life. Johar.
Old Dam, Percy Dam, Urum Dam, Urum Dam. Starting, competing, Dharam Ding, Dharam Ding.
Johar. Olchiki, 100 years of life. Johar. Olmena atama, Olmena atama, Doromena atama, Amhomena. Ole madre, Doromena dele, Amho ato. Ama ora alagi, ama duvaralagi, Jahar do bainan angenene. Ama jadi lagi, ama dorom lagi, Jahar do bainan angenene. Johar.
Shreyas, USA.
Shruti from USA.
Aditya Murmu from Canada.
Aditya Murmu from Canada.
Shamik Murmu from Canada.
Yeah, Mr. Nuryan Tudu from USA.